Hi everyone, I'm Angelina and this is Blueprint DIY, where we remake our clothes to be just as unique as us. I am super excited today to release a video I did a little while back. It was for my members only group, and I know how much you guys are loving my denim upcycle. So I'm going to share this video with you guys. Definitely let me know if you enjoy it, and definitely consider being a part of my members only group. All right, let's get started. Hi Team Renegade. This week I have a bonus tutorial for you guys. I saw some jeans recently that had a zipper down the front, and of course I thought to myself, well, I can do that. So I found these vintage 80s style elastic waist jeans that are just a bit too baggy in the tummy area. But what I love about them is that angle in the front. I felt like a zipper would just really make these special. So you guys know that I often go to the thrift outlet and buy beat up old purses and torn garments just for the zippers and buttons. Well, actually I have a whole drawer of that stuff right now, but I had this yellow one from an old purse. So I'm just gonna use my seam ripper to salvage the zipper. And if you haven't subscribed, definitely hit that subscribe button right now and share this video on social media so that everyone knows all the amazing stuff going on here. Because did I mention when I hit 100K, one lucky subscriber is going to get their very own upcycle specifically made for them by me. So subscribe and share. This zipper was the perfect length for this project, and I'm super excited to add a pop of color to these jeans. And you can also see that I had to add some new elastic inside the waist because the old elastic was worn out. But at any rate, I cut the pants right down the front. If the pants were tight on me or just fit on me, I would have used my seam ripper to take that seam apart, but because they're too big, I could afford to just cut it down the seam. Now, if you're not used to putting in zippers, you'll definitely want to pin or clip the zipper in place by laying the zipper face down on one side so that you can sew that side down first. Then you turn the pants inside out and sew the zipper to the other side. I've sewn zippers in the wrong way a ton of times, and it can be really frustrating to have to take it back out. But if you pin it down, you'll know whether you're doing it right the first time. Okay, so you'll fold down the top edge of the zipper and sew the first side down to the jeans. You can see that I moved the zipper over a bit because I wanted to take the jeans in a bit in the front. You'll also want to put the zipper a little lower than the top edge of the waistband. You can see here that I did it wrong, and now I have to take it back out because as you can see, my zipper foot is higher than the waistband, and that's no bueno. So I took that seam apart and redid that side, and now I'm doing the other side. Now the top edge of the zipper is lower than the top edge of the waistband, just like it should be. And using my zipper foot, I'm just sewing a little ways away from the zipper tines because I want some of that yellow to show from the front. Now that I have both sides of the zipper sewn in, I'll fold each side over and make a top stitch on the denim next to the zipper. I'll do that on both sides, and then I'll also sew that extra crotch area closed at the bottom. Then I'll sew across the bottom of the zipper to keep that crotch seam from opening up at the bottom, and that's it. A simple little project that adds just the right detail to make those jeans look really special. And if you get stuck along the way, definitely consider joining my Facebook group. It's free. It's just a bunch of other upcyclers who love what they do and are willing to help you along the way. I think they're the perfect little summer jeans because no one really wants to wear tight, hot jeans when it's hot outside. I've paired them with this one shoulder ruffle top that was a dress like literally 2 minutes before shooting this video. I found it at the thrift outlet for like $2, but the bottom did make me look like Dorothy from Wizard of Oz. So I cut the bottom right off my body, and I think it really works. All right, so I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed, definitely subscribe. And like I said, consider being a member of my members only group. All the information, you'll see it when you hit that join button. And I have plenty of other videos for you to watch right here. I'm gonna attach some denim ones specifically right here for all my denim lovers out there. And if you are loving this top, I have a tutorial for this top as well. This was actually the quickest DIY that I have ever done in my life. So I hope you guys definitely go watch other videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.